Menteri Kepulih Putih Balakmen Rumboi haka arhosau tarik naitung ula pelat patba yak matang ban Thew yaka Jingkiew kerukom hikai haki Skul habarok khat arteri ki distrik ka Meghalaya. Yaka neka matang wajer kerteng deka Meghalaya School Performance Grading Index MSPGI bala pensyong nongren halor ka tup jingtip petikna Unified District Information System for Education Plus 2025 to 26 UDICE 2025 to 26. Dakani kamatang Judais 2025 to 26 and Thew ya Jingkiew Jinghiar kirukom hikai haki khatwe hajar South Spa South Pyllait tadi ki Skul ki badon haki khat ar tadi ki district Jingkiew. Thew tarajur ki Skul haki South Pyllait ki mat balabo ha san ki thup ki bakan thup ka jingyolat ki khana Skul ban penjeliu ha ka jingnang jingtip accessibility ka Jinghikai ya ka digital education ka jingla ki Skul ban penbiang ki kamera ban ki tiar kitar infrastructure ka jing pentrekam ya ki jing betha ka national education policy ban ka khuj ka suba bat ka jing janai ha baro kilyang quality parameters ha ka ne ka tarajur labo mau kilo 6000 poin ban Thew ban I marks ya ka Jingkiew Jinghiar jom ki Skul halor ki te ki san tli ki thup an I marks ya ki Skul ha kerdan Utkarsh outstanding akan sheet 10 intensive support ya ka MSPGI la pertho board na ka performance grading index PGI Ministry of Education Government of India kabala Thew matang ya baro ki Skul ha ki jilla bat ki union territory jongka ri ka Sorkar Meghalaya kalakeu ha ka jingyo marks na ka South Pa iway point Henry Puar house na mar hajar arpuar hado arpulai shaka kenjang Sanspa arpusan point nyau puwe mark house nam hajar arpusan hado arpun riu laya thu uba rembui ula ongru ka Sorkar kan say borba ban kentiu ya ka Pulih Putih badu kermen daga matang MSPGI ki Skul habarok har artri ki jala kenkiu irat hakis naman wan.
My dear friend, the purpose of this press conference today, as you know that the government of Meghalaya from time to time tried to do its best to give the best education in the state. And this effort for the last 8 years, we have seen improvement. But having said that, as you know also there are so many challenges which are there. So the Department of Education tried to do everything it is, try to do its best. But having said that, as I said before, challenge is there. And you know that recently the government of India have released the PGI score for the whole country. And we know in the state of Meghalaya where we are ranking. And to take this forward, that the government, because this is not only the endeavor of the government, it is all the stakeholders have to join hands if we want the best education in the state. So we are trying to think what to do. I'm very thankful to the department, to the SEMAM, that we have innovated the first, I may say, the first of its kind in the country, where we have ranked the school where they are. The purpose of this is that every school should know how much is their score, where they rank, and what are the things to improve. So the ranking, the school have been taken map is 11,443 schools. It is a massive exercise. It is not I'm very grateful to the team who are doing all this work. And out of this 11,443 schools, we are ranking state-wise, district-wise, so that, as I said before, the schools will know where they rank. And the ranking is based in different grades. Utkash, Uttam 1, Uttam 2, Uttam 3, Prasesta 1, 2, 3, Akanshi 1 till Akanshi 10. So the score is from 0% till 10% out of 1,000 point. So this is, so to say, PGI score is for all over the country, but this also our own state specific PGI score, so that the schools, different managing committee, different schools, they will know where they stand. So the purpose of this conference today, as I said before, that to release this PGI for the state of Meghalaya, where these 11,443 schools, they will know where they are ranked and what are the things to improve. And these are done out of 43 domains. In the PGI there is 73, and these are doing as per the UDICE score, which we take from UDICE and we compile it, and it becomes one mirror for us to look where a different school will look where they stand. And in this report, you will see there are some schools, the score is very disappointing. When I talk about 11,443 schools, it does not mean that only the government school. It means all the schools which submit the UDICE in the domain. And these also include even some CBSE school, or irrespective of the board. So in this ranking, you will see that there are some ICSE school, some CBSE school, so on and so forth. So as I said before, the methodology which we do, it is that we have taken from the UDICE and we rank them, and we keep the school. And this is not a one-off exercise. We'll try to do every year. If not, we'll try to do every year, so that to keep time to those schools to improve. And if they does not improve, that means those schools, they are not doing anything. So we from the government also, we may take necessary step that those schools should not remain, because that means, so as I said before, they will know, and this will make the school competitive amongst themselves. And when there is a competition, how to rank higher, we hope that the PGI school ranking will improve from this year 5 to 5.71, it will go higher. So I'm very thankful to Commissioner Secretary, to the Secretary Education, to the team who worked very hard. It is not very easy to get the record of all 11,443 schools, but they did it. And as I said, this may be the first of its kind where a state government rank its own school irrespective of the managing committee, whether government, private, and everything. So that is the purpose of thing. And this score, not only that, this score, the different schools, they can download it, their mark sheet, so to say, their mark sheet, where they score, how they rank, they can download it, they will know. And when they see that, they can improve. And I'm very thankful to the SEO, STSEO also, try to work very hard. I urge my officers from the district, the subdivision, and the block resource person, the BRC, let us work together. Our aim is that to give the best education to the student of the state. The Sensitization ka jingmut trong kaneka press conference ka ba ngikot matarasi. Nakadiyang ka jongi ko ka education department. Dia kala penmi ya ka PGI score ka jongi barok kari kabangi tipro ba ngi layo ya ka score kumba sanspa arpusan point nyok we ta harin kata ngi perkhat kumno ban improve shushu ya ka jinglong ka jingman karukom ai Jinghikai hapo ka nega state ka jung dem takadaw ka department na ai khuble ya officer ki commissioner secretary ki officer khamtam na po asemam ki bala shimkhia ban penbiang ya kaneka report ka bang ai ya ka ranking kaneka de first office kan ka banong kom hapo ka ri ka baka state kalale ki state kilale khatwe hajar south pa south light league score hapo ka state ke jongi ngi penmi ya ki hae kat no ki score kum no ki rang ki don ki top 20 ki don ki top 100 but baro ka school pat kat no ki score kidon ki score ba ka score jong ki kalong very low kalong kaduna ba tegi happy ban improve tenga kajing penmi ya kane ka report kalong ba ki school baro kintip ka ka ba ki de ban le kat no ki yo knang ba ha ki system ar system ke banangwan kin la ba improve la ki school ki improve ki tip ha ki ayo ka ki chikna tu ki ngakermen ba ka education system bujung but ya kane lale tang nak benta ki school Sorkar ngilale nang tak hatway hajar south pa south light league school but ya kini point ke bagi score ni shimbaro na po ka ba ki score hapo ka yudais lang ba kata ni rang yaki tenga ai khuble yakini ki DSEO SDSEO ki BRC BRP jongi ki batreshtom nang yai tre khnang ba phiru phinpe ki ki school ba phinla ban monitor shu khnang ba ki ban ra ya kaneka Jinghikai wa biam hapo ka state ke chumi te sa sinbiam kaneka report ka ba ngi khot hane press nglamban Pyllait pai ba ya kane ka PGI ranking ke jongi hapo ka state.
So from these 11,000 plus schools that you've ranked, can you tell us which are the districts that have fared well and which lies at the very bottom?
See, different districts, they have a different challenge, different schools, and they have a different ranking. And we have seen that in this report, everything is written from all the districts. So we have seen that the schools, and you will find that the number one school in the top 20 is Jyoti Srot School Higher Secondary School. This is top school, and the score is 930 out of 1,000. Kamor kane ka rank number 1. Ka bottom, ka ba dunatam, ka step by step lawa scale LP school West Kas Hills ka score jung karom tang arpun rew. Only 26 out of 1,000 is the bottom rank. So in this ranking, we are giving all the scores. So the ranking based on the schools. The lowest is there, and in different districts also we have given some different ranking, top 20 and the bottom 20, so that they will know. It is like we want that every school should challenge itself how to improve, and by challenge itself, it can challenge the other also to improve. See, for those which are managed by the government, we will try to improve ourselves. We are not telling that, or you will know from the school where our government school also run. We also will try to improve. For all the school which all the government run school, we will see what for the managing by the different, they have to try to find the source where to improve themselves.
So,
if there is native fund available in the state, we are surely, the door is not closed, but as you know, that we will look at the comments.
Sir, since this criteria is UDAI's thing, so whether all the schools in Meghalaya are actually they are enrolling in UDAI's?
100%
So just about the teachers, the shortfall, if you can just tell us where are they still running short of teachers, and how are you filling up all those? When are we expecting?
We have around 700 plus teachers only in common LP school, which vacancy, and the recruitment will be out very soon. So NTET is conducted today, and not only that, there are also some vacancy in the aided school, which the recruitment have not happened for the last few months or a few years. We will keep permission case to case basis, not randomly, case to case basis. Will keep, so recruitment will start in the few months time. See, it is a constitutional right of everybody to establish the school as long as they meet the different all the criteria. But having said that, schools is not for a mere existence. It has to give education to the children. If they perform very bad, we will have to withdraw even the recognition also.
So how many years will you?
This is the first report. Let us not jump to conclusion. This is the first step. Maybe they don't know that they will be ranked like this. Maybe while seeing that, then they will do more. So let us not jump into conclusion. But this is, like I said, I urge every school to challenge itself, improve, and moreover challenge the other also.
But how many years? 3 years, 5 years, 10 years? How many?
We have not come up with any plan for that. As I said, that if the school does perform, do a parent will send their children to that school? No. And if there is no student, what is the meaning of that school? You know, that is itself become non-existent. So that is the thing. So I reply with the fact.
Given the khasinews into the criteria, look in the school.
I will give you all this dengan ai ki ne record is a page dengan ai ke sampel jong kan ka score kena page hame mo mabaki bun palat kan translate ru nga ngambil khasi pakang di war ta gayo nga bakla kadang ikentin ke banganong tip pan pakla sa ka
kanai ke PGI ranking jong ka state la jong kereta
hoi
tambah fishim ya ki criteria na guys
nah hoi na kayo guys kita sah nyuk like di shim hai sah like ni mo
mungkin iki include ang kini CBSE ICSE ki untuk lang
so
em ngam kli gini ki school na kendong bagi school nang sora pi air ga ju ka yas ni don Jingkiew
mano bo ang nong kendong bunga mano bo nong sor biang ki wa biang nong kendong ting nong sor undon iba don hason tingin ng ton ba kae ka bangilang daw ba every nook and corner of state ki don ka school ro biang nam ta banyo Jinghikai na ro biang mo see that is not a new subject. In fact, we have already implemented all over the state the sensitization about the sex education about and recently we have launched this in Paimam that she tribe where that also linked to the welfare of the girl student. Okay. School's performance grading index. Khubor.